What's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Male Karen Throws Tantrum at City Hall. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
Mr. Taxpayer of the Year was not satisfied with the county's services and unfair speeding tickets, so he decided to take it up with the Borough Hall receptionist.
How you doing? Hey,
body camera's on. What's going on?
I know, I got my phone on.
Okay.
I'm here talking about this thing I got after I paid my taxes that I don't feel like I should be paying.
You don't feel you should be paying what?
$105. The first notice I ever got was right now, after I paid my $19.34, there's an interest of 99 cents, and now they're telling me this is going all the way back, and I owe this much money. And I said, no, I'm not paying it.
Okay.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. His payments were late. They've been consistently late, so he's got interest that's accumulated. It moved to principal, and he's...
Doesn't want to pay it.
He feels he's not being protected.
Okay.
Yeah, so why should he pay for services if he's not going to see it?
Okay.
He owes this. He does.
Okay.
It stays with the property. I'm not going to argue over that. It's
Okay.
state law. There's nothing I can do about it.
Okay.
If my taxes, if they're telling me I owe taxes for the services in this town, then you tell me why 35 miles an hour is allowed on Skyline Lakes Drive.
Well, those are two separate issues.
No, it's not. My
Okay.
taxes go toward my safety. My taxes go toward my safety.
Well, right now,
I've never received any notice, and all of a sudden I see 99 cents, and then it goes to 105. I should have received notice.
if you've listened to the lady...
I did listen to her. And you want to know something? Okay, I listened to the lady. I don't want to tell you how many years, and I don't want to... If you should ask Scott for the 26 pages I sent to the Attorney General of how I was harassed by Walker, how I was harassed by Ferraro, how McGinty allows 35 miles an hour on Skyline Lakes Drive. I obey the law to the limit. Do you know I had a problem with, and I hope it's all being recorded. No.
But you're not letting me speak, and you're just speaking to me. The law, you obey the law, right? The law is that you have to pay the taxes.
The law's on my...
I'm not finished. You have to pay the taxes. If you don't want to pay the taxes, you can figure that out some other way. But something's going to happen to you. Right now, you can pay the taxes, or we're asking you to leave. If you don't leave, again, you say you're going to obey the law. If you don't leave, you're going to be arrested for trespassing and disorderly conduct.
I'm not trespassing. I have a right to be in
You're being disorderly. So I'm giving you your options.
Because you don't want to talk.
I'm not talking. I have nothing to do with it. You have to pay this. This is not a discussion. This is you have to pay it.
Well, I want to talk.
You have to pay your taxes.
I want to talk.
That's all it is. There's a bill. That's all they get. They have a bill.
And I want to talk.
Unc wants to talk like it's an open mic, and everyone has to sit through.
Okay. What's the discussion about?
Part of my taxes go toward my safety of living here in this neighborhood.
Okay, you have to bring that up at a council meeting then. Because you can't do it here. These women...
Every council member knows.
Okay.
Scott Heck knows. McGinty knows.
Bring it up
Walker harassed me. And Ferraro harassed me. And then Ferraro perjured himself in court.
Okay. That's the past. If you want to bring
and
an issue...
And I am going to ask for a recording because I'm going down to Trenton with all of this.
Okay. So right now, we're asking you please pay the bill, or we're asking you to leave. If you don't want to do that, whatever, but you got to go. Okay?
No. I don't like the explanation.
The explanation is you have to pay.
He don't like the explanation. Why? See, so at this point, he needs to just be, put your hands behind your back. As simple as that. Place your hands behind your back. You gave him an ultimatum. You said, we're asking you to pay the bill or you have to leave. He says no. All right, sir, place your hands behind your back. But I could tell what's going on right here. I mean, the gentleman is older, okay? Typically, they don't really want to get into it with older people, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes older people could be a little cranky, right? They in their ways. But he's dead wrong. He has to pay his bill. There's nothing they can do about it, right? So But with the officer being stern, stand on business. You said he has to leave or he's being arrested for trespassing. Then you switch it up to disorderly conduct, whichever one you're gonna go with or whatever. But I did catch that you flip-flop there. First you said trespassing, he said for what? And then he said disorderly conduct. So, but yeah, well, let's see what happens here.
Explanation.
The explanation is you have to pay.
And the explanation also should be the speed limit's 25, not 35. What is the reasonable thing? Do you do 90 on the parkway? Do you do 90 on the parkway?
You are bringing up different issues. If you want to bring that up, you can bring that up with the chief of police again.
I have.
Okay.
And I have the chief of police on my phone saying 35 is what he allows before discretion should be used to stop anybody in a 25 zone.
Okay.
You want to hear the recording?
Okay.
Do you want to hear it?
I do not want to hear it.
Because you know it's the truth.
Because it's irrelevant to what we're talking about right now.
What we're talking about, pay the bill or leave.
You know what?
Pay the bill or leave.
Get out of my face. Get the out of my face.
So we're not leaving until you either pay the bill or you leave. So that's...
Get the out of my face.
We don't have
Okay.
credit card machines here.
You don't have credit card machines here. Most people don't take cash. You don't have credit card machines. Well, I don't have a check on me. I'll have to mail a check in. And you refuse to answer my questions. You're supposed to answer my questions.
I don't have anything to do with
I'm
the
not
taxes.
asking you questions about that. Why don't you go get Heck? Why don't you go get McGinty? Ask Ferrara why he perjured himself in court. Ask Ferrara why he stopped me doing 24 miles an hour and accused me of 31. The one morning I was asked to come to the police station to have a meeting to help them figure out how we can make Skyline Lakes Drive safer. And you want to know something? 40 years, I have never been stopped for speeding, red light, or stop sign. That morning, Ferraro pulled me over as soon as I leave my house telling me I'm doing 31. Nobody cares. I want all these recordings.
Did you go to court for it?
Yeah, and it turned out to be a license plate because in court, you know what Ferraro said?
All right, are we done?
You know what Ferraro said?
Is that his?
He goes, I stopped him because probably, maybe he was doing 2 miles over the
I'm
speed
asking you to
limit.
leave now.
Maybe 2.
Okay.
I've asked, how do I get a check to you?
The way he's crashing out in public, it's no wonder he's had run-ins with quite a few public officials, and now holds a grudge.
You guys are real big when it comes to hassling, but you're very little when it comes to
All
enforcing
we're
the
doing
speed
is
limit.
asking you to leave, and you are giving us a hard time. So
And
please
all
leave.
I do is ask.
It's time to go.
Let me
It's time
say
to go.
something.
It's time to go.
All I do is ask the. Let me finish. All I do is ask the police to not let people do 35,
Okay.
and it doesn't happen.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay? And I want the recordings. Where do I fill out a paper?
You can do that a different day. We're not doing that right now.
You can
What?
talk to Sylvia and Rex.
Because we're telling you have to leave.
You're D?
D.
I remember you.
Okay, let's go.
And you. You're something else.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah. At least I obey the law. At least I know what
You're
the
not,
law
because
is.
we're telling you to leave, and you're
At
not.
least I know what the. Get your hands off me. Don't touch me. Don't you ever touch me. Don't ever put your hand on me again. You got it? You understand me now? Don't ever touch me.
Ready? He's coming back in. You want to...
Don't ever put your hand on me.
Time to go.
I'm going. Don't ever touch me. You put your hand on me.
And this is where it probably gets out of control, because he probably is gonna come back, or he's either gonna come back in, right, and screaming and yelling, or he's probably going to say something that is really gonna irk the sergeant's nerve, or maybe one of the cops or whatever, and he's gonna get arrested that way. But I doubt. We still have about 2 minutes left in this video, and typically the way that these body cam videos work, somebody getting locked up. Okay, so it's gonna go down in these last 2 minutes, some way, shape, or form. I'm telling you, either he's gonna come back in and press the Sarge because he doesn't like that he was touched, or he's gonna be going to his car and probably say something slick out his mouth and the Sarge or one of the officers are not gonna like that, and they probably gonna get them together. So let's see what happens here.
If you don't leave, I'm down.
Put your hand on me.
Leave.
You're not allowed to touch me.
Leave or you're going to get arrested.
Oh, you.
Leave.
Arrested for what?
Disorderly conduct.
Yeah. All
Get in your car and stop screaming.
Shut up. You.
That's it. Yep.
Joe, you're under arrest.
Don't move.
See?
Open the
he
door.
locked it?
Joe, you're under
Open the
arrest.
door.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Oh boy, it's going down.
Open the door. Open the door. I'm going to take.
I have a break.
Open the door. It's going to get broken. Open the door or it's going to get broken. Open the door.
They brought the old timer to the ground. He probably hasn't been on the ground in years.
Once we have handcuffs,
Not on primary worker right now.
Damn. He probably hasn't popped back up off the ground that fast in about 15 years.
Joe, I'm being arrested, Joe.
go to the front door. We're not going through the door hall.
They got him together.
Joseph was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest.
And that's what I mean by, he was either going to come back inside, right? As he was leaving, he's going to spin around, come back inside because he didn't like what was being said or whatever the case may be. Or he was going to yell something that was going to irritate the officers. And the second one happened. He's going through his car, but you know how the older people is. They gotta get they gotta get whatever is off their chest. Like he going. I mean, if I was the officer, I'd probably, you gotta take it light on the older people. You know what I'm saying? So like, I get it. They grumpy. They gotta get it off their chest. But he is going in the right direction. He is walking. He's just a little upset that his hands was being put on him. Now, if he's a young buck, it's a little different. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you got to treat everybody the same. Bullshit. Okay? The old timers, you treat them, they're a little different. They get a little bit more leeway. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, overall, the cops did what they had to do. They not wrong. So, at the end of the day, I'm going to give them a 3 out of 5, man. And that's that, man. Satisfactory. So how well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.